All right. It's been a while. It's really been a while, and I think I owe you guys an apology. Haven't been really active on any of my social media channels, whether it's YouTube or Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, and I think I owe you guys an apology, and just wanted to give you guys a kind of an update, life update, what's been going on. So let me take a sip of an adult beverage here real quick. So yeah, any of you guys have been following along with my Instagram updates, I've seen that I've been traveling a lot for work. Work's been really busy this year. A good busy. I've been doing a ton of traveling, doing a ton of training, and you know, I've been out to, let's see, where did I go first? I went to, crap, I can't remember now. Where did I first go to? Was it Denver? Yeah, I went out to Denver in February. Just got back from Monterrey, Mexico. I was there for a week. I'm home this week, but I've got to go to the office to do some training. I'm in Wichita, Kansas next week for the entire week. And then I get back from Wichita and I potentially have to go to Alabama for a couple days for training. And then as soon as I get back from Alabama, I have to go to the Netherlands for a week for a GPM meeting. And then the week after I get back from that, I'll be home for a couple days. And then the week after that, I have to go to Dallas for another training. And then shortly after that, I have to go to Montreal, Canada for a training. I have a colleague coming over in June to do some doing a road trip. And then I have to go to Reynoldsville, Pennsylvania. And yeah, the list just goes on and on. So unfortunately, what's that mean? I'm not going to have a ton of time to make a ton of fishing content. And I just want to be real with you guys. I've been contemplating on starting a short video series, like 5 minutes or less, just kind of talking about tips and tricks and things like that. And I think I'm going to try to do that with this video. I'm going to try to keep this video short and sweet, but I wanted to just give you guys a quick update. Boat's in the shop. Got some motor problems. I did a bunch of work on it this winter. And of course, my first trip out with my father-in-law in the Detroit River, couldn't get above idle. So we had to idle 18 miles, I think, downstream from where we're at to get to the boat launch. Good day in the water, ended up catching one fish. But yeah, it hasn't been the best of springs. Ice fishing was really terrible for me. I think I ice fished twice this year. So been in a little bit of a rough place. So just want to be transparent with you guys. But before we get any farther, I want to do a giveaway. You guys have been really good, really supportive. I can't thank you guys all enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a pack of Divine, these 6 Sense Divine paddle tails. I'm going to give you a whole bunch of Batum stickers, and I'm going to give you a Revital Outdoor neck buff. And it's going to be pretty easy to win this giveaway. All you have to do in the comment section is mention when you subscribe to the channel. And what I'm going to do, like I did last time, is I'm going to put your comment with a random number, pick a random number generator, and whoever numbers it lands on is who I'm going to send this stuff to 100% free of charge. Never ask for your credit card information. You guys are going to see this video on Tuesday, April 18th, and the giveaway will end Friday. Let's see what day it's Friday, the 21st. So at midnight, 11:59 on Friday the 21st, the giveaway will end. Saturday morning, I'm going to give you a message. I'm going to send you a message and say, hey, you've won. You need to get back to me pretty quickly with that message because I'm going to be leaving for Kansas for a week. So you can either get to me by Friday or by Saturday morning, let me know your address and I'll ship it to you, or it'll just have to wait until I get back. So again, super easy. All you got to do in the comment section, leave a comment when you subscribe, and I'm going to send you, like I said, a neck buff, a bunch of Batum stickers, and some 6 Sense paddle tail swim jigs. So let's talk real quick tips and tricks. I always want to provide some value-added content for you guys. I want to talk about cold front bass fishing. So this past weekend, last couple days in Michigan have been really nice. High 70s, low 80s. There's already been people swimming, which is absolutely crazy. But you know, what do I do in this period when I'm fishing? But unfortunately, like I said, with my boat being in the shop, 99% of my tackle is in the boat with my rods and reels and everything. So I have a few rods and reels here, but nothing that I usually fish with in the spring because I've got my frog rods left out, my big swim bait rods, and yeah, nothing that I really fish with. So I apologize in advance. But anyway, cold front bass fishing. So here in Michigan, central lower Michigan, even northern Michigan, and anywhere kind of across the Midwest, you'll get these really warm spells, and then you get a sudden drop in temperature. So we went from 75, 80 last couple days down to like 30 at night. And what I found to give me the best success when I'm bass fishing specifically is I focus on cover. So I focus on some sort of hard cover, whether it's a rock pile, whether it's a tree stump, or even when I'm flipping docks and pylons, those seawalls. Any sort of structure that can absorb that heat and hang on to it longest is where I've found the biggest bites. Even offshore, doing some ledge fishing where there's some kind of harder ledges or harder deep rock structures, I've tended to gotten more bites around those. And one of my favorite ways to catch them at this time of year, which I don't have any of this stuff because it's in the boat, is a football jig. Hands down, one of my favorite jigs to throw is a Chompers 3/8 ounce jig paired with a Straight King Rage Chunk green pumpkin dipped in pink spike at dye, and it makes the claws orange. I dip some lure lipstick crawfish jelly on it, and the bass absolutely smash it. So flipping a jig is probably hands down, whether I'm bank fishing or fishing a boat, one of my favorite ways to catch cold front bass. You really got to slow your presentation down. I have had some luck, kind of knocking a crankbait off a structure as well, like a squirrel bill crankbait, or like a DD10 or something, anywhere you can hit that hard structures where those fish are typically going to be. That, again, something that absorbs the sun. When it gets really sunny, especially during a cold front, you got to follow the sun. So there's been some areas in canals where, depending on where the sun's at, the fish will be on one side of the canal, but then as the sun raises throughout the day, the fish will shift and move to the other side of the structure where the heat's at. So hopefully that kind of helps you guys out. If you're fishing this cold front conditions that are very, very common in late March, April, and even into May, when the spawn starts to kick off here in Michigan or in the Midwest. So hope you guys enjoyed that really short, quick tip and trick. Again, I apologize sincerely for not being as active on social media. I'm so busy with work now. It's just really hard to keep up with making content, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. And again, thank you for all your support. Again, don't forget about the giveaway. Super easy to enter. I'll leave the details in the description as well so you guys can check it out. But yeah, that's just a quick life update. So for the next, month and a half, 2 months, it's going to be busy. I might even have to make some of this content while I'm on the road in a hotel room. Who knows? I honestly don't know. But I just wanted to let you guys kind of know what to expect and why you haven't seen me in a while. So again, thank you for all the support. Can't thank you guys enough. We're really close to 3,000 followers. I might do a big giveaway when I hit that 3,000 followers. So keep it up, share this with your friends. If you guys, again, want to come to a safe place where we can learn and grow as anglers and fishermen, that's what Blue Jays Outdoors is all about. So again, thank you so much for your support. And remember, the easiest way to change your attitude is by showing gratitude. Thanks, and we'll see you next time. Maybe not on the water, but I'll see you somewhere traveling around the country. Hope you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.